So guys, today's video, gagawa tayo paano mag-set ng Premiere. How to set Premiere guys. Yan, dito tayo. Let's go to YouTube. Yes, that's YouTube. And then, we'll go to plus sign. Plus sign and upload video. And then, let's choose this video that I want to upload. And then edit into a short or next. Let's choose the next. And then this is now our video that we need to upload. And then title, let's put a title. And then now after we put the details or the title, let's go to public. And then after we touch the public set as instant Premiere members only, installed or private. No, it's not a private, so let's choose and then date, Monday. Okay, and then Monday, set after you set the date, it's May 6, and then set as Premiere. You can see the set as Premiere. Let's put the time. Okay, and then this is a time, what time you want to upload. 4 o'clock. Okay, and then it's already done. Let's touch next, and then not for kids, and then upload. Okay, it's already set for Premiere and upload. Now our video is uploading. Let's wait.